We're back in the shop. Time to get more Injora parts put on this thing. Hey, Corey here, Canadian RC guy. Welcome back. Well, this week we're working back on upgrading our AX24. So this time we've got some brass diff covers and some stainless steel drive shafts. But you know what? Come on in here and I'll show you a little bit better. So here's what we're going to work on this week. We've got a nice set of stainless steel drive shafts here, front and rear. And then get them flipped over here, our brass diff covers came in. So we're going to try and add a little bit more weight to this thing and see if that helps out or not. So I mean, it's a pretty simple process. We'll show you right here on the front there. Hopefully you can see on the front there's just the screws there. There's 6 screws on the front and 6 screws on the rear. Pretty simple and easy thing to place on. And then with your drive shafts, see if we can get her to stand up on its side there all by itself. There we go. And with our drive shafts, it's pretty simple. Oh, you're just going to have 1 screw here and 1 screw up at the front. And same thing at the back, 1 here and 1 here. And make sure you keep we're losing our truck. Make sure you keep your clocking right. We'll show you that here shortly once we get going. That way you don't screw up your gearing ratio and stuff in there. So we're going to go ahead, get our steering stuff moved out of the way. Oh, get our steering stuff moved out of the way there. That way we can get to all the screws. And we'll show you what's going on here shortly. Maybe we'll show you the guts of the inside of this thing in case you've never had one off and you want to see it. So we went ahead and got the front steering out of the way. A lot easier to show you what we're doing here. You're just going to take out these 6 little screws here. And they send you with new hardware, but obviously you can use this hardware or the new hardware. It's up to you. So we'll go ahead, we'll get these out of the way, and we'll bring you back and show you what's on the inside. So here we have the front axles all pulled apart. It's nice to see, obviously, all metal gears and bearings, that kind of thing, but I don't think I see a drop of oil, grease, or anything in this thing. What do you guys think? So we're going to go ahead, we're going to get something put into that. Then we're going to take this beautiful brass differential cover. You can see we'll just get it put right on there quick for you. And man, that should really help add a little bit of weight to this front and back. So we'll go ahead and finish this up. We'll do the back, and then we'll bring you back when it's time to start those drive shafts. Oh, actually, one other thing. Don't forget, you've got longer screws and shorter screws. Hopefully you can see everything there. The 2 longer screws, they're for the 2 top bolts here. Then the 4 shorter screws, they're for the bottom 4 bolts. So make sure you put them in the right place. So here we go. Front and rear are done. You can see there, nice and easy installation. Now we'll get onto the drive shafts here. What you're going to want to pay attention to is, you see the screw here is facing downwards, and on the other end it's going to be directly upwards. Where on the rear end, I believe they're facing the same way, or they're direct. It's really hard to see in there. I guess we'll have to wait a bit until we take the rear end out to find if it's the exact same. But it may be the same clocking, where make sure when you put the front one in, you're screwing it in this way, spin it, halfway around, put the other one on, and you're going to be screwing it in. So keep your clocking, pay attention. So we're going to get these drive shafts in. We'll bring you back if we have any issues. If not, we'll be back showing you it all put back together. So we went ahead, we have the front all done, but in order to get the second half of the rear there, as you can see, it's down underneath everything here. So we ended up taking the top part of the frame off. Pretty simple though. It's just 4 screws, 2 here on the bottom and 2 here on the top. Same thing on the other side. And just remember, there are longer screws and shorter screws. We'll show you here in our hand. Longer screws and shorter screws. Longer screws are for the top and the shorter screws are for the bottom. So just in case you forget when you're taking things out, try and remember that. So we're going to go ahead. We'll get this other side changed, get it all put back together. We'll show you what it looks like when we're done. So there we have it. Everything's put back together. Drive shafts are in. The diff covers are on. You can definitely feel a little bit of weight difference in this thing. I'm not sure if it's going to make that much difference in the angle, horizontal, vertical, but we're going to get it on the board now and we're going to find out. All right, so last time we got to 60. Let's see what we can get to now. So there's 10, 20, 25, 30, 32, 35, 38, 42, 44, 45, 48, 50, 52, 53, 54, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're at 60. Same thing, 60. So that little bit of weight didn't help any there. Let's try our horizontal now. And last time we got to 48. Make sure our tires are nice and straight here. Last time we got to 48. So let's see what we can get to. Sort of 25, 30, 35, 30, 39, 40, 42, 47, 48, 49. I don't know why that changed. We'll have to try that again. 48, 7, 48, 49. Then it keeps going to -2 for some reason. That's a weird number. We'll try that one more time. So there we go. So let's try this again. So remember last time 48 is where we got. It's 30, 40, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 49. I saw 49 there, and then this stupid thing keeps going all wonky. Well, there we have it. Not a huge difference on the board this week. You can, like I said, you can definitely feel the weight, but it definitely didn't help any there. So we're going to take it downstairs to the course. We'll see if it makes a difference there. So like I said, I don't expect it to be a ton of difference, but we'll give her a go here and see what she's got anyway. We do have a new section of crawler course coming up pretty soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I don't think we're going to get this line. Nope, not happening. Try the hard line, but I doubt it. Not quite yet. Make our way up through there. Turn on some rear steer and see that helps. There we go. Well, not a huge difference this week other than, I guess, a few shiny parts. I'm sure the weight's going to help a little bit, but You really couldn't tell, you know, from the driving or from on the board there, the vertical or horizontal. But maybe next time with this thing we'll do something better, or at least hopefully it'll help. I can't say it's any better. We're gonna try out these. They're Power Hobby. They're 54 millimeter shocks, same length as the originals, but we're gonna get rid of the factory ones on this, and we're gonna upgrade to something a little bit different and see if that makes a difference. So thank you so much for watching this week. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell. That way you're getting all the new videos. If you have any comments on anything you want to see us do to this truck, we'd love to know upgrades that you guys are doing. We'd love to try things out. We definitely think in the future we still need to find a different frame for this thing. We like to swap over to like frames. So if there's someone out there that makes a custom frame, let us know. We'd love to try it out. And if you like this video and you could, give us a huge thumbs up because it helps us out a lot. So thanks so much, and we'll see you again soon.